Fixing to do something stupid. Alright, out here trying to put the hub on. As you can see, the teeth on that, if I can get this camera right, half-aughts chewed all up, and the new one is not. So let's see how this goes. This here looks kind of a little different. It's like from here to here. I don't know. I wonder if I ordered the wrong hub to start with. But I'm fixing to find out. Be my luck. This one's 7 lug instead of 6. No, it's 6. So, all right, let's throw it on and see what happens. Got it good and greased up. Make sure it slides up in there. It kind of locks in. It's locked. Get your tape. What are you doing, Cooper? Oh yeah. It's locked in. I'm wondering if that solenoid went bad up there on the firewall and caused all this trouble to start with. It had to be. Because unless, like I said, unless I put something on wrong, because all this trouble started when I added this lift kit. Got that put on. Like the way that's looking. There it goes. Slide it down a little bit. Oh yeah. Much better. I have to zip tie this like that. And that pops in there. Alrighty. I need to have some concrete poured out here. Truck's so high now I can't pull it inside. The van's so high I can't pull it in. I thought about just rebuilding my whole shop, tearing it down and going up higher with it and putting a drive-on lift in it. That'll make life easier on me and my back. About ready to start on the passenger side. This is the aggravating part. Getting this mess lined up. So I'm gonna try to pull this axle out without pulling all this hub and spindle and everything off and caught sided. But I may not be able to. I'm gonna try it. No, I ain't gonna be able to. Probably if I unhook the sway bar on both sides and lift it up. But you know what? Hell with it. I'm putting a new rotor and inner locking hub assembly on it, so I just pull it all off. All I have to do is pop the tie rod and upper A on. Okay folks, I got this right side tore down. I was going to throw this new axle in it because the boot busted on the old one, and which I had to sit here and play with the threads. The nut was stuck on it, cross threaded, so I had to fix that. That's Amazon for you. And I pulled the vacuum hub off because I got a new one to stick on it. There's nothing wrong with this, and I don't think, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. But when I pulled it off, look at that. This side has done the same thing. So I'm going to put a hub assembly on this side too. So, and they don't sound the best in the world. They're brand new hubs. They got less than, I know they got less than 6,000-7,000 miles on it. But yeah, that solenoid on the firewall going bad caused this right here, I'm pretty sure. Because when I put a hand vacuum on my hubs to suck in, so, and I hold. So I know my hubs was fine, but since I ordered a new set, I already put one on the other side last weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on the axle and order a hub and just swap it out next weekend. It's pretty easy to swap out. So, well, that's where I'm at. I pretty much found out what happened, why, and the damage it was caused. So, this is it. See y'all on the next one.